You will learn the history of marijuana throughout civilization, from its first documented uses in Chinese medicine to its mandated growth in colonial America, its prohibition at the turn of the century, its modern-day repeal and rebirth as a recognized medical and wellness resource. Next, we explore the benefits of medical marijuana in both the scientific and healthcare communities. You will learn how and why medical marijuana works. Meet scientists, doctors, and patients and explore how it's changing lives. We dig deep into the business of medical marijuana. Learn from the industry's most successful entrepreneurs and discover how they have created profitable companies while navigating through an industry without clear regulation. Discover the emerging opportunities within the medical marijuana marketplace. You'll hear from doctors, dispensary owners, operators, growers, oil extractors, cosmetic companies, edibles manufacturers, software developers, security, and OEM providers. We will cover the information you will need to know when starting your medical marijuana business. You will hear from activists, advocates, and politicians on the front line of current legislation. Since this chapter's subject is constantly changing, we make every effort to ensure the information you're receiving is on the cutting edge.